Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. So for this video, I'm going to be following this dance. So for this dance, the first counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's start with the lower body first. So when you step with the left leg, you're going to lift the right leg up and stretch it out. And when you step with the right leg, you're going to lift your left leg up like this. So it's basically just stepping left, then right, then left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, all the time. And faster, it would be like this. Okay, this is much faster. And we're going to be doing this for the first 8 counts. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and on 8, we're going to lift the right leg up like this. Okay, lift it up. And for the lower body, your chest is going to move to the left. So when you step with the left leg, you're going to move your chest to the left and lift your right leg. So while you just step with your foot, you're going to move your chest to the left and back again. And for your hands, you're going to bring your thumbs up, both of them, and place them in front of your chest. And I didn't explain this part properly, but just put your thumbs down twice when it says Game Boy. Okay, like that. So you're going to press your thumbs down twice. That's on 1 and 2. On 3, you're going to take your right hand and slide it over your forehead. And on 4, take it out. So slide and out. So with the count 1, 2, 3, 4 and repeat twice, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, all together 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So right leg is going to be up and right hand is going to be at the right side, okay, up also. So one more time, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. The next counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After right leg being up, on 1, you're going to step 1, 2, 3 times. Left hand at the side of your waist. Okay, from there 1, 2, 3. You're going to step 3 times. Then move to the other side, to the right side. Okay, your hips are moving, and put your right hand at the side of your right hip and step 2 times. Okay, so first you step to the left, go to the right, step twice. And lastly, on 7, 8, you're going to bring your right leg in and make a heart with your thumbs. So thumbs down and make a heart, okay, in front of your chest. That's on 7, 8. So you step, and on 7, 8, you make a heart. Let's repeat now from this part. So you're going to step to the right, step, heart. Great job. Now let's repeat from the very beginning, from this part. So it is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Step to the right, step, 7, 8. So for the second half is so easy because it's just the same thing, just that at the end there's a slight change. So one more time, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Step to the right, and here is where the change comes. So when you're here, you're going to go down. So from here, push your body down, and your right hand is going to go down also. So down. Then take your index finger, your left index finger, and point it to your lip. So you're going to go down and index finger to your lip. On 6, you're going to make a pose. So just lift your right leg up and your left arm up like this and pose. So from here, you're going to go all the way down. On 5, On 6, pause. And on 7, 8, you're going to walk in your place. Okay, just step, step. So one more time from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down. 5, pause. 6, 7, 8 to your place. Now let's repeat the second half. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Step, step, step to the right, slide down, pause, step, step. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next count for the post chorus are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to be stepping with your left foot and right leg is going to be up. Your hands into fist, right arm is going to be in front and left at the back. And you're going to jump 2 times, okay? And bounce your arms too at the same time, okay? So you're going to bounce them. So all together, jump, jump. Then you're going to run, run. So for this part, after this, you're going to switch. So now right is going to be in the ground and left is going to be up, okay? And left arm is going to be up like this and right arm is going to be down, okay, as if you're running. Then you're going to switch to the right. So from left to the right, you're going to step with the left and lift your right up, okay? And your right arm is going to be up, left is going to be down. So it's going to be jump, jump, run, run to the right, okay? So from left to right. One more time, jump, jump, left, right. And you're going to jump one more time. So jump, jump. This time switch and right is going to be down, left is going to be up, and left arm is going to be in front and right arm is going to be at the back. And you're going to jump, jump. So one more time, jump, jump, run, run, jump, jump, and again, run, run. So this time left is going to be down, right leg is going to be up, okay? And right arm is going to be up and left arm is going to be up, okay? That's on the first run. Second run, switch, okay? So all together, jump, jump, run, run, jump, jump, run, run. One more time so we don't forget any steps. So jump, jump, run, run, jump, jump, run, run. Next up is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So we're going to be looking to the right and we're going to lean forward. Bring your left leg out and you're going to step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times and clap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So altogether you're going to go all the way down and slowly, lift your body up. So at the same time you clap and you step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and go all the way up, okay? And on 4 you're going to move your head to the left and back to the front, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times and on 4 move your head. Next you're going to switch to the left side, but this time bring out your right leg out and you're going to step 1, 2, 3 times, okay? So 1, 2, 3 and clap 1, 2, 3 times while you go all the way up as we did before, but this time only 3 times. So here is 5 times, clap, 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 move your head, then switch, clap, 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 and on 7, 8 you're going to make a heart as we did before. So thumbs down like this. Now with counts 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Now let's repeat this first half from the beginning. So it's going to be jump, jump, run, run, jump, jump, run, run. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, make a heart. The next 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first, bring your left hand up as if you're holding somebody's shoulder and bring out your right heel. And move it to the right 2 times, okay? 1, 2. And your hand's going to be at the side of your right hip, okay? Your right hand. And at the same time, move your chest to the left. Then on 3, 4, you're going to step with the right, okay? And your hip is going to follow. Then step with the left and hip follows. So step with the right, step with the left, okay? And your hand is going to touch your chest, okay? Slide it over your chest and then take it out. So slide and out. So all together, slide out. From the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4. And on 5, 6, we're going to repeat the move we did before. Then 7, 8, also repeat the move we did previously. So after this, hand to your head and up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after this, to finish, repeat the move we did before. So step, step, to the right, down, pose, step, step. Okay, it's all the same. Let's repeat from here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step, step to the right, go down, pose, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.